Element Ballistics is a free but very powerful ballistics calculator app that allows you to create profiles, factor in all kinds of external conditions like weather and wind, view a firing solution within the app, or export your profiles to external element optics devices like rangefinders and smart scopes, which can then calculate your firing solution for you. In this series of videos, we are going to run through everything you need to know about how the app works and why it can be so useful for everyday shooting. And that all starts off with an overview of what each section of the app actually does and how to get everything set up. Starting off, the app is available, as I said, for free from the iOS and Android app stores. Once you've installed it and opened it for the first time, you will see a series of orientation screens that just run through all the very basics that you need to know about how the app works and what you need to do. But we're going to skip that for now because we are going to run through everything in detail in the series anyway. You may also be prompted to allow access to Bluetooth, to the internet, to location services, and to some of the phone's internal sensors like the barometer. And it's very important that you grant access, otherwise we're not going to use the app to its full potential. With that out the way, let's run through the app itself. This is what the home screen looks like. We're going to go from the top all the way down. Right at the top, you'll see 4 icons. The one on the very top left is the Bluetooth icon. That's where you'll be able to see your devices that you've paired or connected with. Next is the profile graphs icon, where you can see comparisons between your profiles and graph data of trajectories and wind drift and all that stuff. Next to that, we've got the settings button, where you can access all your different unit preferences. And on the far right, a hamburger menu where you can learn more about element optics and contact us if you want to reach out to us. Below that, you'll see an expandable tab for weather and wind. This is where you're going to enter atmospheric data, which is very important to calculate reliable firing solutions. And of course, a wind menu where you can enter wind speed and wind direction. Once entered here, these weather and wind sets of data will be applied to all the profiles in your app. Just below that, we'll start to find all our profile information. There are 4 profile tabs, each of which holds a default profile, but you can change this data however you want. You can swap it out with other profiles that you've added, and there's also an add profile button from which you can add new profiles as you buy more rifles, like you should. The profile data itself is broken up into 3 sections. At the top, you've got your bullet data. So that's all the parameters that the app needs to know to calculate a firing solution, BC, bullet length, all that stuff. There is also a database where you can access that information, but manually entering it is also an option. Below that, we've got the rifle data. That's things like your muzzle velocity, your sight height, your zero range, and your barrel twist rate and twist direction. Also very, very important. And lastly, your zeroing weather. This is the weather or the atmospheric conditions that are around you at the moment that you zero your rifle. That's also important to factor in. These profiles can be exported to your phone or to Dropbox or sent to a friend on WhatsApp, for example, using the export button, and they can be imported using the import button. So you can save them somewhere safe if you want to. And to the left of those 2 buttons, we've got a table button, which opens up a dope card with a whole bunch of information that you can toggle on and off, and a tune profile button, which basically allows you to calibrate your profile if the data you're seeing downrange doesn't precisely match the firing solution that's given out. You can actually enter your known parameters and work out some of your unknown parameters, which is an extremely powerful tool that, of course, we'll get into a little bit later in the series. And lastly, but most importantly, I would say, is your firing solution tab. This is a tab that's kind of fixed to the bottom of your screen and doesn't move as you scroll, which is very useful for phones with smaller screens. This is where you can find your firing solution data, your elevation and windage, how much you need to dial or hold in MRAD, MOA, clicks, or centimeters and inches. This can also be displayed via the reticle screen. The reticle screen gives you access to all of the element reticles, which you can once again choose from a database. You can pinch to zoom. This shows you where your predicted point of impact will be. So once again, a very useful and very powerful tool that just gives you a different way to view that firing solution. And that is a quick overview of the different sections of the app and where you can find certain things. In the rest of the series, we'll go through each of these parts in far more detail, so please check out the playlist if you want to learn more.